Recipe. Set 1. 1. Keto curry spiked tuna and avocado salad. Preparation time, 5 minutes. Fork and knife with plate servings. 1. Ingredients. 6 ounces albacore tuna, drained. 1/4 cup avocado, diced. 2 tablespoons chopped celery. 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons curry powder. Pinch of salt and pepper. Procedure. 1. Whisk together mayonnaise, curry powder, salt and pepper in a bowl. 2. Fold in tuna, avocado, and celery. 3. Serve over keto toast or rolled in fresh lettuce. Right arrow nutritional information. Energy 357 kilocalories. Protein 44 grams, 53%. Fat 17 grams, 40%. Carbohydrates 6 grams, 7%.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and the recipe, and just did. I would appreciate if you could give me a like, and hope you will proceed with this keto diet, and you will enjoy it and be successful at it. Thank you.